Breast chicken is a kitchen superstar, known for its versatility and lean protein goodness. Whether grilled, baked, or sautéed, it's a go-to for quick meals. First up, let's talk about grilling. Marinate those chicken breasts in olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs for a flavor explosion. Toss them on the grill for about 6 to 8 minutes per side. The result? Juicy, smoky goodness that pairs perfectly with a fresh salad or grilled veggies. Next, baking is a game changer for meal prep. Season the breasts with salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Pop them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for around 25 to 30 minutes. This method locks in moisture and makes cleanup a breeze. Sautéing is another fantastic option. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, season, and cook in a hot skillet with a splash of olive oil. This method is perfect for stir-fries or adding to pasta dishes. Toss in some colorful veggies and a tasty sauce for a complete meal in minutes. Let's not forget about the health benefits. Chicken breast is low in fat and high in protein, making it ideal for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet. It's also incredibly filling, so it keeps hunger at bay. And if you're feeling adventurous, try stuffing chicken breasts with spinach and feta or sun-dried tomatoes and mozzarella. It's an easy way to elevate a simple dish into something special. So, whether it's for a quick weeknight dinner or a meal prep session, breast chicken is the perfect ingredient to have on hand. With endless possibilities, it's time to get cooking.